What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your spark plugs on a Toyota Corolla crossover, probably from about the 2022 to 2024. You'll have a cover on some of them you got to take off first, and once you take that cover off of it, right up underneath here you'll find your spark plug, or whether your spark plugs and your coils. You'll need a size 8 right here to take off this screw that's inside of here. You just want to go ahead and take this screw out. Just like that, take this screw out of it. And once you do that, you want to come here to the plug-in to your electrical source and squeeze this back piece and just pop that off just like that. And once you do that, you just want to lift up and remove your coil from out of your spark plug chamber. Then once you do that, you just want to go ahead and grab you a spark plug puller socket and stick it on down. I forgot which size it is, which basically is the ones that go to this one. Stick it down there, take out your spark plug, put your new one, tighten it back up, and then go ahead and do the reverse process, which is go ahead and make sure, I will keep track of it, do one at a time. You want to go ahead and plug back up your coil, make sure it's nice and tight on there, and turn the right way, nice and tight. You should feel like a connection down there. Go ahead and plug it back up and go ahead and put your screw back in, and you'll be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your spark plugs on a Toyota Corolla crossover from about the 2022 to the 2024. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.